Hi guys, happy Mother's Day, and yes, I hope you are good. So today our aloe vera oil hair growth challenge officially comes to an end, even though I will continue to add the oil to my hair till I take my braids out, and then that way I'll be able to know how long it takes to really get my desired length. So yes, it comes to an end today. Today's the 14th day, and I just wanted to show you. I mean, I've been like taking videos daily to see the growth, and I think so far it has been really good. So I can officially say that the aloe vera oil works perfectly for hair, so looking forward to trying something new. Meanwhile, I just want to show you the growth within these 14 days. So right at the front part of my hair, you can see the growth a little bit. I don't know why the front part doesn't really grow as expected. I don't know, maybe it's because of the way I sleep, or maybe I don't know. Anyway, but the back part of my hair is amazing. Let me say amazing. So I'm going to just show you. So as you can see, this is the back part of my hair, and this is the growth for the back. I especially picked the back really tight, but yeah, the back of my hair grows much more faster than the front part. Just take a look at this. This. So I'm going to continue. Let's see how long this hair is going to grow in the next 2 weeks, because I plan to actually take this braids out after 6 weeks. So which means next week is the 3rd week. So next week I'm going to wash normal, just wash, shampoo, and then apply leave-in conditioner, and then use the aloe vera oil, and let's see how it goes. So guys, I hope you also have the same result, like, or at least something better than this, or at least a start. Please do share your results with me. I really want to see them, and I also want to be sure that the same things that I'm using, in as much as you don't add the same ingredients, but I just want to be sure that this challenge, the reason why we're all doing it is to get hair growth, or to get to obtain a healthy hair, to know what's good for our hair, what our hair loves. So please share your results with me. I really want to see them. You can send them to me on private message. You can send them to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in my bio, so you can also send me your videos or your pictures. I really want to see them, and of course I want to share them with others. People need to know that these things are working. So thank you so much, and have a lovely, beautiful day. All right, bye.